This is a window cleaning job that we did today. This is for a very large estate, and this is a quite difficult job. It's a very beautiful estate, and it's a beautiful day, by the way. And here are the tools that we're going to be using. Very simple setup. We're not using any water-fed poles or anything like that. Just a very basic setup. But this setup will get the job done. And what's unique about this particular cleaning is what we're going to do on all the windows that have this issue. So right there you can see that there is brick that wasn't pressure washed. This house was pressure washed not too long ago, and they couldn't get the spinner in between the flower bed and the home. So we're going to clean that. We're going to use a little bit of SH there, and we're also going to clean the window frames and the door frames as well. And most companies aren't going to do this. If you hire a window company, more than likely we're not going to do it, but this is a regular client, and we're going to include this in their rate. There's just a little bit of SH there. We already rinsed the home first. We rinsed this whole area. This is a very controlled soft wash in this area. And we're going to make this look magnificent. And if you didn't notice earlier, there was a pretty thick film of mildew and soil that was on the glass. And you could see all the green mildew and all that all over. We're going to get rid of that too. This client is having a huge party at this estate, and this is one of the entrances into the home. So it's a real eyesore, and we're going to take care of it. So we're cleaning all the windows. I think the window count came out to approximately 41. So that's a good amount to clean. And you can see how much better it looks here. We're all done. If you compare the before and after, it is a stark difference. And we haven't even cleaned inside the windows yet, but you can see it's a very stark difference, very stark contrast compared to before. So with this window cleaning, we really went above and beyond. We did this for the windows that needed it there, and we're cleaning all the tracks, all the sills, inside and out of the windows. You can see those windows are quite soiled also. Now, we charge by pane to pane, but we have to kind of adjust what we charge exactly, because in total, I believe this is 36 windows on those two doors. Those are always a pain to clean. So obviously I'm not charging for 36 windows, but those are very difficult to clean. Imagine if you had a whole house full of those. That would be insane. And what makes this job challenging is you see all these bushes here. These are palmetto bushes, and they're impeding our way to get through to the windows so we can clean them. So we've got to put ladders there, and the ground is uneven. It's different levels, so it makes it very hard. Plus, those palmetto bushes do tend to cut you, and there's a lot of snakes there. So we have to be cognizant of the snakes. Just have to be careful. You know, in Florida, we have tons of rattlesnakes. And this is a beautiful home. And so you saw the tools that we had. And those tools, one of them is a telescopic pole. It reaches up to 25 feet. So we're able to get all those windows using the telescopic pole and squeegee. And right here, if you compare this window right there that I did with this window, you could see how much of a contrast it is between the clean versus dirty. Clean, looking great. We were able to get behind there. And then dirty. So as I said, we're cleaning both sides. We're getting the tracks and the sills. None of these windows have screens. Screens are way extra. Screens present a huge problem when you're cleaning windows. Why I don't like to do residential windows with screens. Not only do you got to take them off, you got to put them back on, and people don't realize how hard they are to take off and put back on. They are very difficult. And when they're older and maybe they're kind of broken, they don't fit properly, and they're old and rusted, and they're very difficult to take off the window and then to put it back on. And it's just really hard to do. So, but this part right here, you could see we're about to clean, and I'm going to show you a squeegee technique. Some people are clients and people that are interested in our services to watch these videos, but others, there could be some guy that's just wanting to start a window cleaning business. And I like the fan technique the best, but if you're new and you're not able to do the fan technique yet, you don't have the experience, you can just go side to side, and that works too. You see right here, side to side. It does the job. And on top of the equipment that I use, the tools, very modest equipment but effective, have plenty of microfibers. And microfibers are great for this reason right here, just to prevent any dripping. And that about does it for the video. Thank you for watching, and maybe there will be a part 2 of this video. I'm not sure. We'll see.